Hey everyone, in this video we're diving into 10 awesome Galaxy features that can totally upgrade your smartphone experience, from AI-powered chat translation to cool lock screen customization. So if you're new here, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below letting me know your favorite feature or trick. So let's jump in. So feature number 1 is your chat translation with Galaxy AI. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can instantly translate incoming and outgoing messages in real time using Galaxy AI. So directly with supported chat apps. So here is an example. I'll show you the message app. And here we're going to go ahead and translate something from English to Thai. So say for example, if I did message, hello, how are you? As you can see, it automatically translated from English to Thai as I've turned on a feature called Chat Translate. So let me show you how to do this. So to turn on Chat Translate, you're going to go ahead and tap on this Galaxy AI icon. From here, you want to go ahead and find this button here called Chat Translation. Tap on this. Now at the top here, you can go ahead and choose what you want to translate from. So from auto or English to whatever language you prefer. If your language is not there, you can go ahead and add it. And you can go ahead and download this. So this is great as it breaks down language barriers effortlessly, so it helps you communicate globally without the need of a separate app. It's perfect for traveling, international work, or global friendship using your Samsung S25 Ultra. Feature number 2 is where you can use created stickers in messaging apps. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can create personalized stickers using your photo or AI tools and use them directly in your favorite messaging app. So here is an example. We'll go ahead and turn this into a sticker. So go ahead and select this person, save it as a sticker. So now we can go ahead and choose a sticker style and press done. And now as you can see, we have all these stickers which we can want to use in our messaging app. Now when you press home and you go to your messaging app, when you tap on the plus sign and tap on stickers, you'll see that you cannot see those stickers which you created in the gallery app. So in order to use those stickers which you've created in the gallery app, you want to go ahead and tap on the message. Then you want to go ahead and tap on this emoji icon. And then you want to go ahead and select this blue Galaxy AI icon here. So you might be on this screen here, but you need to go ahead and select that. And here you'll be able to see all the stickers you have created from your gallery apps. Go ahead and choose it and then go ahead and send it off. So this is great as you can express yourself in a fun and a unique way. You can make your chats more engaging and personal, and it's great for adding humor and personality to your conversation on your Samsung S25 Ultra. Feature number 3 is where you can change icons for your navigation bar. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can customize the icons for your navigation bar like this. So you can change the back, home, and recent to better suit your style or make them more visible or make them more visually accessible. So let me show you how to do this on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So for this, you need to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store, search for Galaxy Store. In the Galaxy Store, you want to go ahead and download an app called Good Lock. This is how the app looks like. Go ahead and install this, then go ahead and open it. Now in the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and download a module called Navstar, which is right here. Tap on this, turn this feature on, and now you can go ahead and choose from all these available styles. So you can go ahead and make it like this, make it like this, make it like this, or you can go ahead and even make it your own personal style. So we'll go ahead and tap on new configuration, and here you can go ahead and configure all of these buttons. So let's just say, for example, home, you can go ahead and choose from all of these styles, or you can go ahead and choose from your gallery. So these are all customized buttons. Press save. And now when you want to go ahead and use it, swipe down, select your customized buttons. And now as you can see, you've customized your navigation bar. So this is great as it enhances accessibility and usability. It matches your aesthetic preferences and it makes your device feel more personal to yourself. Feature number 4 is where you can set live wallpapers from TikTok. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can use favorite TikTok videos as live wallpapers for your lock screen or your home screen. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. In TikTok, you're going to go ahead and tap on search, and you're searching for live wallpapers. Now here you want to go ahead and browse through these wallpapers and find the one that you want to set. So here as an example, if you want to set this as a live wallpaper on your Samsung S25 Ultra, go ahead and tap on share. And then from the bottom here, go ahead and swipe left until you see set as wallpaper. Tap on this. This will now download the wallpaper, and then you can go ahead and tap on set as wallpaper. Go ahead and tap on this, and then go ahead and tap on set wallpaper. Now when you press home, your wallpaper has been set for your home screen. This wallpaper is also set for your lock screen as well, and it's set for your home screen. So this is great as it brings your favorite moments to life from TikTok. It adds motion and creativity to your phone's look, and it also reflects your personality and your latest interest. Feature number 5 is where you have your edge lighting when unlocking your device. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can activate a glowing edge light effect each time you unlock your phone like this. So as you can see, when you unlock it, you'll get this effect around your phone. So let me show you how to do this. So here you need to go ahead and first open up the Modes and Routine app. Now from here, you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign, and then you want to go ahead and set the if and the then statement. So if, search for unlock. So if you unlock with a fingerprint, choose your fingerprint, then tap on then, scroll down and find effects. Tap on this and then go ahead and find edge lighting effect once. Now go ahead and choose your edge lighting. Go ahead and choose the transparency, or you don't want any transparency, go ahead and choose the width. And you want it long or short. So we'll go ahead and choose that, press done. And now when you lock your device, and now when you unlock your device, you'll see that animation around your screen for your Samsung S25 Ultra. So this adds a sleek, modern visual effect, enhances the unlocking experience, and it can be customized for different vibes or mood. Feature number 6 is where you can hide the dock bar. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can remove or hide the bottom dock bar from your home screen for a cleaner and a minimal look. So let me show you how to do this. So for this, we need to go ahead and search for Galaxy Store. Within Galaxy Store, you want to go ahead and search for this app called Good Lock. Go ahead and install it. Once installed, open it. Now in the Good Lock application, you need to go ahead and open up the Home Up module. It looks like that. Tap on this. Now you want to turn this feature on and then press on home screen. Now from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Hot Seat. So here you need to find Show Favorites. Go ahead and turn this feature on. Now press home, and now your dock has been removed. So the benefit of this is that it speeds up access to frequently used apps, saves time without unlocking your phone. So the benefit of this is that it maximizes your screen space, offers a distraction-free experience, and is perfect for a minimalistic look on your home screen for your Samsung S25 Ultra. Feature number 7 is where you can see your favorite app bar on the lock screen. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can add a menu of your favorite apps directly on your lock screen for faster access. So let me show you how to do this. So for this, you need to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store. In the Galaxy Store, you want to go ahead and search for Good Lock. Next, you want to go ahead and open the app, install it, and then open it. Now in the app itself, you need to go ahead and install this module called the Lock Star. Once installed, this will take you to your lock screen wallpaper. Next, tap on Lock Screen. Next, tap on Lock Star. And then from here, you want to go ahead and find favorite apps. So go ahead and turn this feature on. Now you want to go ahead and configure what apps you want to show on your favorite apps. So for now, I've got settings, flashlight, do not disturb. Let's just say TikTok, KFC, WhatsApp, and hot UK deals. Apply that. Now I can make it show horizontally, vertically, or horizontal to the left. Just go ahead and show it vertically, then press on, back, and then done. Now I can go and press home when I lock the device, unlock it, wake it up. I'll see my favorite bar. So I can go ahead and just tap on it, unlock my device, and I can go ahead and open up the apps directly from my lock screen. So this speeds up access to frequently used apps, saves time without unlocking your phone, and it improves the productivity on the go. Feature number 8 is where you can add stickers on your lock screen. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, if you want to decorate your lock screen with fun or personal stickers, then let me show you how to do this. So for this, we need to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store. Within Galaxy Store, we need the Good Lock application. Install that, open it. And then from here, you want to go ahead and find Lockstar. Go ahead and install that module. It'll take you to your lock screen, tap on Lockstar, and then tap on Stickers. Now here you can go ahead and create stickers from your gallery, or you can just use the stickers that you have created. So I've created this sticker. Go ahead and customize this. And I can basically put it anywhere I like. Once I'm happy, I'll press done. Then I'll go ahead and lock my screen, and then I'll wake it up and I'll see sticker on my lock screen. So this basically adds personality to your phone. It's great for quick personalization without full themes, and it makes your device feel more you. Feature number 9 is where you can add screenshot button to your navigation bar. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can add a dedicated screenshot button to your navigation bar right here. So instead of doing the palm swipe or using the 2 buttons here, you can just go ahead and press one button and it'll take a screenshot. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you're going to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store. In the Galaxy Store, you need to go ahead and open up the Good Lock application, install that app, and then open it. Now you're going to go ahead and scroll down and find the Navstar module. Open that app, turn it on. Then you're going to go ahead and tap on New Configuration, and then tap on Button Layout, and then tap on Add Button. From here, you're going to find Screen Capture. So that is what it's being added. Then press Done. Then press Save. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find the configuration you created. Use that. Press Home. And now here you've got your new navigation bar with the screen capture. So if you want to capture this screen, just go ahead and tap on this. It'll take a screen capture and we'll show it to you. So you can quickly capture anything on your screen. It avoids complex gesture or button combinations, and is useful for saving info, chats, or funny moments instantly. And lastly, feature number 10 is where you can change your settings menu according to your liking. So on the Samsung S25 Ultra, you can double or triple tap the back of your phone to launch any apps or function using Good Lock's Registar module. So let me show you how to turn this feature on. So for this, you need to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store, search for Galaxy Store. Now in Galaxy Store, you want to go ahead and download an app called Good Lock. Go ahead and download this app, then open it. Now in the app itself, you need to go ahead and download the Registar module, which is right here. Looks like that. Open it once installed. Now here, you want to go ahead and find Back Tap Action. Tap on this and turn this feature on. Now here you want to go ahead and select double tap or triple tap. So you can set both of them together. So let's go ahead and tap double tap, and we'll go ahead and set it to open an app. So say for example, I use TikTok quite regularly. So I'll go ahead and set it to open up TikTok. So this will basically allow me to open the app, start recording, or look at the notifications. So I want to go ahead and open it. Now I can go ahead and press home. Now when I double tap at the back here, and there you go. So this is a hidden shortcut. It triggers an app silently, quickly, even with the screen off. So it's hands-free feeling, perfect for activating flashlights, camera, or voice assistant on the go. And that's a wrap on my 10 top Galaxy features you need to try out today. Which one was your favorite, or did I miss a cool feature you love? Let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more tech tips and Galaxy tricks, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.